Investing in the stock market doesn't have to be complicated. With the right knowledge and a clear strategy, anyone can start building wealth over time. The key is to understand the basics and stay informed. Diversification is essential for managing risk. By spreading your investments across different sectors and asset classes, you protect your portfolio from sudden market swings. A well-balanced portfolio is your best defense against uncertainty. Stay disciplined and think long-term. Avoid emotional decisions driven by short-term market noise. Consistent, informed investing is the most reliable path to achieving your financial goals. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.